Hi everyone, trying to uninstall an app, software or game and you get this error. So let's see how you can fix this error in the most easiest way. To get started, simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location from there. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. From here, you need to find out the problematic app, software or game which you want to remove. So select that app and follow the display name. If required, go to Installed apps and match the name. Once matched, simply right click over that registry key and delete it. So once done, close the registry editor and you will see that the installed app will get removed automatically. However, if this doesn't work, continue with the next method. Simply open your browser and search for Geek Uninstaller. Go to the first web page. Click on download and then download the zip file. Now extract the content of the file. Run the setup as administrator. From the list here, find the game or software you are facing the issue with, right click over it and simply uninstall it and the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.